Dear students, welcome to our class on Agricultural Meteorology bits 3737. Now, the first bit of today's class is radar. Radar stands for radio detection and ranging. Radio detection and ranging. AMFU, Agro-Meteorological Field Units. Agro-Meteorological Field Unit, AMFU. ARIMA, Auto Recursive Integrated Moving Average. Once again, I repeat, ARIMA, Auto Recursive Integrated Moving Average. It takes 16 variables. This bit also may come both the land and ocean in the globe and gives Indian monsoon prediction. Now, FWB, Farmers Weather Bulletin. Since 1945, Farmers Weather Bulletins are being used by India Meteorological Department. Earlier it was called as Imperial Meteorological Department. Now, AAS, Agro-Meteorological Advisory Services. Since 1977, Agro-Meteorological Advisory Services. Globally, the warmest year is dash. 1997 is the warmest year globally so far. Rockets can be used to carry remote sensing payloads up to dash kilometers, 1000 kilometers. Geostationary, which are also called as polar orbit, which is also called polar orbit. Geostationary or polar orbit is dash kilometers above the earth, 36,000 kilometers above the earth. When chlorophyll absorption decreases, the red reflectance dash decreases. As the moisture content in the soil increases, the reflectance in the optical IR region dash decreases. In the thermal infrared range, moist soils look dash compared to dry soils. Moist soils look darker than the dry soils. Now, water absorbs most of the radiations in dash and dash regions, middle infrared and middle infrared and near infrared regions. In dash waters, in the dash waters, the reflectance increases. In the turbidity waters or turbulent waters, the reflectivity increases. In case of clouds, dash scattering occurs. Non-selective scattering occurs. That's why at some distance, 0.3 to 3 nanometers, somewhere they look like uniform. The non-selective clouds or non-selective scattering occurs in the clouds. An equation or set of equations which represents the behavior of a system is known as a model. The models which expresses the relationship between yield or yield components and weather parameters are statistical empirical models. Last two bits of today's class, the models which explain the mechanism of influencing dependent variables are known as dash mechanistic models. Say for example, photosynthesis. So they explain the mechanism involved. The last bit, very interesting bit, please certain to appear. What is that? The models which estimate or predict the exact value of the yield or dependent variable or dash deterministic model. For example, you are appearing for M.Sc or you are appearing for JRF, SRF, net. So some data we give it, you get a number, your age, your location, your place of birth, everything. So that is the deterministic model. They give exact yield. Thanking you very much.